Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Wigo battery. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection to prevent injury. Ensure your new battery matches the vehicle's specifications for optimal performance and fit. Having the right equipment makes the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your vehicle's battery and identify the positive and negative terminals. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Carefully remove the negative cable and set it aside. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable as well. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully position the new battery in the tray, making sure it sits securely. Next, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Finally, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Finally, double-check that all connections are tight and the battery hold-down clamp is secure. Start your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly, including the lights and radio. If you notice any issues, recheck your connections. For more great deals, including on smart speakers like the Echo Dot, be sure to check out the links in the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this guide was helpful for your Wigo battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.